Hello darlings, I am Lady.RenaeThomas-James and welcome to my channel. Hi, how are you? And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe please. And if you have, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and thanks for returning. In this video, I'm just gonna be showing this do. It's just a sleek, for me, this is an everyday hairdo. I'm not sure, I'm gonna try to show the back. This is for me, this is something that I would do every day. Like, for me this is daily. Or not daily, because I don't comb my hair every day, but this for me is something that I would wear on a daily basis or occasionally, most days, whatever. This is for me is easy to do. Bap, 1, 2, let's get this done, and it lasts about 3 to 4 days for me. Some people don't play. Some people are like, no ma'am, all 5 days of work. This hairstyle will last. For me, 3-4 days is good. More so 3 than 4, just because I might just get tired of the style and want a different look. I do have, sorry, I think I moved the camera, my apologies. I do work 2 jobs. I have 2 children, I'm married. Girl, I got stuff to do. So 3 days though, I do like to try to look cute most days. Thank you. And so after 3 days, for me this is good. So stay tuned and let's see how we achieved this style. And thank you for watching. Rate, comments. Hello again guys, and as you can see here, I have my hair in plaits from the night before, and I'm just gonna pull these out. I just added a little bit of oil to my fingers, just because my hands were dry and it was pulling on my hair. So that oil is from tmaessentials. The link will be in the description below. Losing my words here. And then I'm just gonna comb through, detangle. It's not tangled, but just comb through. Preparing for the style. I am listening to Control by 10th Avenue North. I just can't play the full song because I think YouTube is gonna restrict me. So I'm parting my hair for the style. Back first. It's basically in half, but the back has the bulk of the hair, if you understand what I mean. So it's not quite half. The front has less hair than the back. You want the bun to be nice and fat, right? That sounded weird, I know. And then what I'm doing, I'm parting the front in 3 sections. So because I want the cornrow to be slant, I'm gonna part, yes, we're dancing. We're parting the front in a slant where the cornrow is gonna go. Again guys, I'm sorry, I have to turn my back. What happened is my setup, I didn't quite have my setup yet, so I had to do it in my powder room, right? So I'm just putting away the 2 sections to the side to be able to cornrow the front in peace without hair bothering me. And we're dancing. So I'm adding pudding. That is hair pudding by Organic Root Stimulator. Yeah, losing my words again. Just a little bit. Just to define your parting and to make that section a little bit smooth. And then we're adding a little bit of Eco Gel. Again, we're defining our part, right? And we're just brushing that in. Laying those edges, girl. Just brushing everything in, right? Makes it smooth and neat. And then just a little bit of edge control from Organic Root Stimulator. And we're dancing. Oh, Lord. My life is fun. Guys, I'm not a dull person. I'm sorry. No matter what, I'm going to try to find happiness in the moment. And we have started our cornrow. So, I don't know. I call it inside cornrow. I'm not sure what other people call it, but I call it inside cornrow. So, we're cornrowing inwards instead of outwards, right? There you go. And we're brushing in our edges. Just pulling the ends apart and then brushing in the sections to the back. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of gel and pudding to my sides so that I have a sleek, neat, smooth transition into my bun. Nice, smooth, sleek sides. Yes, ma'am. And I'm also adding a little bit of edge control just around my perimeter. Just to lay them edges, girl. Yes, ma'am. And when I've done that, I'm just brushing in. I've had these, I kid you not, I've had these two goody brushes ever since I was about maybe 15. I had two more, but my sister-in-law stole them. A green one and a light blue one. Katie and Thomas, yep, stole them. And let me tell you that story. How I figured that I missed them because I had a lot of brushes, right? So I went to her house. We were teenage friends. We grew up together. Went to her house, in her room, chatting, and I noticed her dresser. I'm like, what is that? Kaden, are these my brushes? She just started laughing. Oh, girl. Yes. Needless to say, I think I took back the green one. Of course, if you're gonna steal brushes, steal one. Anyway, now I'm just catching this into a ponytail before I add my bun and brushing in my sides, darling. Smooth and sleek, darling. Ah, look at that. Yes, ma'am. Easy does it. And I promise you guys, this is not tight. It's secure, but it's not tight. And then I made these. I've been making these ever since I was a teen. Oh, out of socks, out of school socks. 2 minutes to choose from. So I think I'm going to go with the black instead of the blue. Decisions, decisions. Oh, I went with the blue, hey? So to get the bun over, I just lapped it over the ponytail, and now I'm separating the hair, trying to do it evenly to go over my bun. And for me, guys, I made a ponytail first because as a teen, when I used to do it without the ponytail, it would eat out my hair right there where it was separated. And of course, I'm adding a little bit of oil to my bun, just a little bit to the ends to tuck them in to keep it moisturized. And then I used a band, of course, a band to just secure the bun in place, and using a second one. Oh, that's cute. And I'm using a bigger band just to hold that in place. I use that band usually for my braids. It comes into place when I'm not, it comes into place when I'm not wearing braids, right? It's a nice big secure band. And then I'm reaching for my clips. These clips I've also been using as a teen. What did we call them? Oh, snap clips. My daughter's like, why do you use snap clips? I'm like, they're cute. And of course, what we're going to do is we are going to tie everything down just for about 20 minutes, just so that everything is smooth, tied in, laid, and neat. "20 minutes to half an hour. If you have 10 minutes to go, then 10 minutes will work. You don't have to do a tight tie, just secure. You just want to get it laid, right? And we are back. It has been 20 minutes. I left the bathroom. I'm now in my living room because I have a video that I need to do. So let's see. It's been about 20 minutes. Yes, ma'am. I like this. I like this. Thank you for watching, and let me know what is your go-to style. I mean, I have a few. They mainly entail, you know, a nice bun at the back, but what is it, like a nice sleek style? But what is your go-to style? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and have a good rest of the day. And just to let you know, I know I'm gonna get this question, I'm sorry. How do I maintain this? I will keep this style for about 3-4 days, and all I do is to band it, like head tight. That's it. At night, head tight. If you need to sleek your edges some more, you can always do that with a little bit of gel and your edge tamer or whatever you call it. Yes, so you can do that and tie it down. Bed, wake up in the morning, do your makeup, gone. Like, ain't nobody got time every day. I love my natural hair, but I don't got time for that. Like, that's daily, right? So this will last me about 3-4 days. I kid you not. I kid you. I got no time. I got 2 kids. I work 2 jobs. I got no time for, I got to cook, right? Like, I got no time for daily hairdos, right? And I love doing my hair. It's actually something that I've loved doing ever since I was a teen. But life says, girl, your kids need to eat. You got 2 jobs, you got bills to pay, so I got no time to be spending all day on hair. See ya! And if you haven't already, rate, comment, and subscribe.